Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a pre-owned boat that we just took in on trade. This is a 2012 Sea Ray 230 SLX. So nice traditional white color scheme on the whole side here. We've got our stainless steel rub rail and then also our black gel stripe going down the side. This boat does come with the tandem axle trailer shown here. And then taking a look here at the swim platform, we do have the sea deck. Got our fuel fill up right here, and then our tow point. And this is powered by a Bravo 3 260 horsepower Mercruiser. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here at the swim platform, we have a nice sun pad and also the upright position right here. So it's a great spot to hang out and relax if you're anchored out in the cove somewhere. Nice entryway into the boat so you're not stepping on all the upholstery. And then we also have a little door right here. And then coming inside, L-shaped seating back here. Lots of storage underneath all the seats. We do have our two bucket seats, our captain and co-captain seating, both of which have a flip-up bolster. Lots of cup holders on this boat. And then up at the helm, we have our tilt steering wheel, our standard gauges, and this boat only has 125 hours on it, so really low hours. And then walking up towards the bow, we have our snap-in carpet right here, so you can take that out and wash the boat. We do have our glove box right here, recessed glove box, and ergonomically on this boat, when you're sitting down and with the windshield, you have a lot of visibility looking forward. We have our windshield that does fold over. And then up at the bow, nice seating area up here on either side. So this is a great setup here for boating on the lakes in Minnesota. It's located here in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.